good morning children. Now we are going to start about how to prevent land pollution. See, do not dump garbage on waste on land. Do not burn waste. Plant more and more trees. See children, noise pollution. Any sound that cause discomfort to the ear is called noise pollution. When we hear the loudspeaker noise, it discomfort our ear. So that is a noise pollution. Noise pollution irritates, disturbs and interferes with our everyday activity like sleeping, talking and reading. When we are sleeping, when we are talking and when we are reading, we feel this noise pollution effect. Now, sound from household machines like juicer, grinders and vacuum cleaners, that also makes so much noise. Sound from vehicles, machines and construction sites. When there is construction site, people are working too much, that side also there is too much sound. Sound from loudspeaker played at a party, places of worship and other sound events. When we go to any party, there is also so much noise of loudspeaker, so that also affects our ears. Sound of burning crackers. When crackers are burned, that sound also affects our ears. Noise pollution may cause problems like hearing, sleep disorder and our headache. We can't sleep properly, we can't hear properly and we also get our head problem. Ways to prevent noise. How to prevent it? Use car horns as little as possible. Car horns are keep little sound. Avoid loud music that hurt ours and others' ears. We should avoid loudspeakers' voice. Do not burst firecracker. We should not burst firecrackers. Minimize the use of loudspeaker. Loudspeaker voice should be minimized. Now the 3 R's of conservation. See children. First one is reducing, reusing and recycling help cut down the amount of wastage and conserve our environment. First one is reduce. How to reduce? We can reduce wastage by buying only what we require. We can reduce our wastage of things by buying whatever only we want. We should take small amount of food in our plates to avoid wastage of food. When we are eating, we should take little food in our plates only to avoid wastage. We can reduce the use of fuel and control air pollution by carpooling and using bicycles or walking short distance. When we use cycle and we can go by walking, that also reduce the fuel pollution. Then leaves left after pruning or mowing and vegetable fruit peels can be used to prepare compost. These all things are used to prepare compost in a garden or in a farm. We should turn off water taps when not in use. When we are using water, we should turn off our water taps when it is not in use. Now reuse. It refers to using something again rather than throwing it away. When anything is used once, then we can reuse it, that thing. That is called reusing. Using the other side of a printed documents to do rough calculation. When one side paper is printed, we should use back side page for our rough calculation. Reusing as empty can as a flower vase or a pen holder. Like this, we should make a flower vase or a pen. Making paper bags from old newspaper. We should make like this paper bags from the old newspaper. And using an old clothes bag for carrying items rather than buying a new every time. We should use cloth bags to buy something from a market. We should not use paper bag, plastic bag. We should use clothes bag. So we can use it again and again. Thank you children. Which words are underlined? You write down in your rough book.